Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volvo EX30 here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to use the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, you're going to make sure your ignition or engine is switched on. Then press the car icon. And from here, go to settings. Then system down the bottom right. Then date and time. Then on here, you have automatic date and time. So that'll do it automatically for you. Or if you want to set it manually, untick that, slide that over and then go to set date, change to what you need, and then press set date. And then to do the time, click on set time, change to what you need, and then set time to save it.